Alright, we have made it to Oc Dau. This is a place they've known for snails. I've been wanting to try this for years and years. So I figured I'm going to try it in Vietnam. I've seen so many videos on it that I'm really excited about it. I don't think I'll talk the girls into doing it today, but we'll see.
Not today, not for mommy.
I've never felt more like Anthony Bourdain in my life. Awesome, awesome.
While we wait, they brought us this chili, salt, pepper, and oils. It smells delicious. And while we enjoy a beer and something to eat, Cambrine's getting a workout in over there.
I've been looking forward to this a long time, well over a year. Got my beautiful wife here, and we're going to cheers it. Snails, scallop, and lovely Camry's taking video for us. Thank you, honey bunch. And really, really stoked here. All right, so here goes my first go at this. Ooh, very hot.
No?
Okay. Got my first one out. Just a little bit of salt here, alright. And we'll get a little chili. Bon appetit.
How is it?
Delicious.
If y'all can see my face right now, it looks not good.
If you've ever had escargot, very similar to the texture of escargot. These were cooked in a very spicy seasoning. It's very garlicky. Not chewy really at all like escargot can be. It's really almost like it slides down your throat. Highly recommend. Now, this won't be my last time eating them.
No.
100% not. I'm gonna tell you, this is absolutely delicious. If you've never eaten a snail before, I recommend this place in Vietnam, District 1, Oc Dau, to be your first one. They're unbelievably good. I can't believe how good they are.
He's so happy he got his snails, and now he wants to be more adventurous.
Y'all, this is unbelievable how good it is. I know we're not ever selling it either. It is delicious. Look at everybody here eating. I mean,
I'm so busy.
This is the definition of living life and not letting life live you right here. I tell you.
I ordered a safe dish, which I've never had, but it's morning glory with fried garlic. And then Mark got him some scallops also.
I believe they are steamed with onions and peanut and garlic.
Okay.
There you go. I love scallops anyway. I've had these before, but never like this. Bon appetit! Those were probably the best flavors I've had since we left America. Yeah. Garlic, butter, hot chili, got a peanut sauce, and I think a fish sauce in here, all mixed together. I mean, I'm still salivating. I want more. I can drink this stuff. It's awesome. I don't have to say it. Delicious. Anthony Bourdain, I knew I was eating all the probably favorite pancakes. This was eating.
We did some damage here, y'all. You could eat what?
I could eat 20 more than snails. I mean, I want the bigger ones. Like, where do you get the ones with the big meat on them? Like, big honking meat on them. Listen to that.
She put that in there from the fried rice.
Delicious. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Let it go.